Okay, people, just give us a few minutes. We'll still start. Nobody should run away. Oh. Salamatu, you're welcome. Simply blessed. More Abimbola, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Salamatu, where have you been now?
To God be
Salamatu.
the glory. Yes, sir. To God be the glory. I thank God for everything.
Okay, great. So we are already live on our Facebook. So let's start the recording so that we start the program. All right, good day, everyone. You're welcome to another exciting section of our AI360 Studio Practical section, where innovation meets intelligent automation. It's a privilege to welcome you all to this practical section on Storage Genius. Yes, Storage Genius is one of the 60 plus apps inside AI360 Studio, and we're going to dive into it and analyze it and do the practical section. My name is Samuel Okun, the operations manager of AI360 Studio, and definitely with me here is my colleague, Grace Okafor. Okay, and okay, Grace, just say hi to us so that we move up sharply.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, based on where you are. Thank you for joining us again this evening. Just stay put. Believe us, you are going with value this evening, okay? Stay put. Invite your friends or share the link. It's not just for few of us here. Extend the link. Let them come and benefit from today's class. Thank you, sir, for the privilege.
All right, Grace, thank you for that. Yes, today we'll just go straight to our storage juniors. But before we go to the project, today we are just going to dive into a tool that goes beyond data storage. It is designed to help you build your AI personal brain. Yes, imagine a system, your documents, your website, and even your human insight are not just stored, but intelligently organized in a secured and private knowledge vault that your AI can instantly learn from. Yes, in our AI360 Studio, everything is interwoven. When you store such information, you can call it out at any point in time and make use of it inside our AI360 Studio. That's the beauty of the storage genius. This is the foundation of smarter automation and hyper personalized experience. With Storage Genius app of AI360 Studio, you are not just training AI model, you are also empowering them to understand context, recall knowledge, and deliver response with precision and depth. Okay, so this section we're going to explore all, look at the structure, show you how to also store those information and also retrieve it. And immediately after now, definitely Grace or Kafa will come around to also show us how to make money with it. That's to monetize it. So just stay put while I share my slide. Yes, just stay put while I share my slide. All right, I want to believe you are seeing my dashboard. Yes, we're all seeing my dashboard. So this is the AI360 Studio dashboard. It's awesome with over 60 plus app embedded inside. Yes, over 60 plus app embedded inside. So we're looking at our Storage Genius app. So you come to the search bar. If you can, if it's going to be difficult for you to keep scrolling down to search for it, you just come here. We made it very easy on the search bar. Type on storage and the icon will pop up. You just click on the icon and you give it some seconds to initiate to the home front of the knowledge base app itself, we can see that it has opened up. These are our knowledge base we've already created before now. As you can see, you already have Daniel has his own, Ai360 has his own, West lost information. If your dashboard is new, you won't see all this. All these will be out of the equation. Then it's a simple thing. I told you today's class is going to be short on the podcast because it's straightforward for you to build your knowledge base using our Story Genius app of Ai360 Studio. Just come here for a starter. Click on knowledge base, as the case may be. So you click on knowledge base to create a new name and add to it. It helps you to also organize your data. Your information can be organized as well, your data, whatever you're doing. So when you click on it, it gives you create knowledge. Let's assume I want to do something on AI integration or AI AI information. I just put it that way. And I come and I click on create. It's actually creating a knowledge base based on what I have named it. AI information, anything information about AI is there. And automatically, less than 10 seconds is there. So I will need to go into it and add whatever information I need to add for my knowledge base to be able to pick from it. So I click on this particular knowledge base, knowledge information, and you see it opens up to the file. It comes with a default text, and you can see it gives me about 1, 2, 3, 4 formats or ways I can store my information. 4 different formats of files I can store my information or document or whatever I have. It is. The file format is there, the URL format is there, the manual format is there, and the AI created document, which is automated already, is also there. So let's start with, if I can come here, I decide to, okay, now I want to edit this AI information. If I click on this particular one, it takes me back to change it. I can say, all I can say beginner's guide or whatever I need to I want to put there on AI. I just, you can just do anything, whatever it is, any name you feel it is you want to put there, and you can see it changes. I can come again. I can update it as many times as possible. I can just say guide on AI. Let's just leave it at that level so that we'll be able to move faster. So I come to file, I click on file. I want to add my files to my database, and I come to file, and you come here. This one comes by default. It already has a file that's already there by default on that particular information. I want to add more file. I click on files to add more file. It opens up, and it takes me to my system, either my desktop, wherever I have a file to add into it. And I think I have some files there which I've created before. AI digitalization. I click on it to add, and you can see automatically it's adding it to the knowledge base of my support system, my storage genius. So you can see it, AI digitalization. I can decide to add as many files as possible. Still come back here, files, and I come here, the manual, and add to it again. I click on open, and you can see it's initiating, and it has also added, you can see I've added 2 files on it. I can click on this one, AI training manual, and bring it up, or I bring it down, whichever one, you can see it's moving, whichever way I want it to go to with this arrow. I can delete as well, and all this information I've uploaded here, it could be in Word format, whichever format you want. So it is there. And I also come to my URL, the same process for everything. Our system is built in a way that everything is simplified. I come to URL section again. I can see there's no file here. I click on URL. It's just for me to input the URL here, the link. And I think I have, yes, I have some URL I've prepared. Let's even go there. So it's going to be easy for us so that we'll not keep typing and wasting time. I just come here and I copy my URL. Where is my file now? Yes. And I come here and sorry, this one is not, sorry, I didn't get that part right. I want to get my URL straight up. Okay, I'm coming. I want to get a valid one. Let's try this other one. That one is not a valid one, simply because this thing is wrong. 1 minute, a valid URL. Let me just go and copy somewhere and come and dump there. I'm coming. I want to go and copy from my Gmail where I have some URL stored there. Yes. Okay. Let me see if it is good. So this is a URL I'm adding to it. So I just come here and I click on add after I copied the URL, and you can see automatically it adds it without delay. If the URL is, is authentic, I can see, please wait, we are gathering information from the URL, and it's adding it in less than some few minutes. It processes it and adds it to this as well, where you can easily make reference to. So let's just wait. This particular that particular URL and gather. So you can see it's gathering. Good, it's going, it's almost 100%. And that is it. It has added the URL, so we can always refer to it. Now, I also come to my manual section. Now, we have put in for the file. We have 2 files already. Input, you can tick and untick. We have the URL. You can add as many URL as you want. We also come to our manual. The same procedure, the same process. Click on manual. It gives you the manual document. I think I have it. I think I had a pre-document also here. Let's take this beginner's guide to AI. And I come here. Where is my file now? Good. The manual name is what we want to put here. Okay, that is it. And contents, I can come and still pick up my content here. And I wouldn't want to waste much time. That's why I say I've already done it. And this is the content. The content is here. As many as your content you want to add to it, and you just come and click on add. And you can see it asks you to please wait, and it adds your content to it. So your manual document is added to it. You can view if you wish to, as the case may be. You can see the content, Beginner's Guide to Artificial Intelligence, AI360 Studio Introduction, what is AI? It gives you all the information. You're just creating a database. You can also come to this part and edit the already added manual. You can see here, we can edit, change, whatever we need to change, and go ahead. It's as simple as that. So it updates whatever you've already done before. So you can keep updating, or you can come and delete, which we are not coming to delete. Then this other AI created document is automated already. It has its own record from the AI database that it picks from the internet each time we are actually looking for information from our knowledge base. So these three, the file section, which enables you to add file, for this particular file now, we can, and if I like this particular section here, or this one, that means I'm going to download whatever has been embedded there. If I click on it, just give it some few seconds, you can see it's opening up. You can see it out already. So I can go and open up my information there and also read my information as the case may be. If I don't like any of my database that I feel is not important, I can delete. So this information, the AI360 has actually downloaded, and I can go ahead and open it and actually read the content as the case may be. So we don't want to waste much time on that. So you find out that our AI360 Studio Storage Genius is one app. You can store as many information as you want, and your database goes there to pick it each time you want any information. And you can see when we're doing our support genius, I think we need to go to that support genius. That is where it's effective because our app interacts with each other. By the time you create your support genius, it will also help you to use our database to pick all the information that you want from it. Yes, I remember we did something on support genius. Let's just quickly go there, and so that we just wrap up the class. We are done with how to use our storage genius to store information on our AI360 Studio. Your pictures, whatever you need to store, is a gallery for you to store any information, and for free. You know, it has over, I think it's about 200 gig space, over 200 gig space you can use on it, and you can keep storing and storing because everything is being pushed online. So excuse me, I want us to go to our support genius so that we see how this thing has been working, how our storage genius is also interacting with our support genius and the whole app in our AI360 Studio as a whole. Okay, it's coming up now. I'm very sure you're still seeing my screen. Okay, we'll give it some time. Internet most times are slow. It's just trying to initiate. That's how to open two tabs to be sure. Okay, my mail has to go. Still initiating. I want to be sure which one is coming up first. Okay. Okay, so if we go to our support juniors app, which we did the last time, we'll see how what we just created in our storage juniors app is also there. So we click on the support juniors app, it's still initiating. To open up, you can see it open up. If you come to this setting, which we did the last time, and you look at the AI setting, the AI setting. If you come to the knowledge base in our app is all encompassing. Whatever you have there, you can pick it up from anywhere while you're working. You understand? And you can see what we just created. I want to show that it has even appeared. You can see it in our other app, Guide on AI. So all these informations are also there. So if your support juniors want something on that, it can also go there and pick it up and work with it. So our storage juniors is one powerful app that you definitely cannot do without. It gives you the privilege to store as many information and still refer back to them, and all our apps also interact with it. So thank you so much for your attention. That is all we have for you for our support juniors. So Grace, you might come up so that you quickly let us know how to monetize it. Are you there, Grace? Hello?
Yes, sir. I was muted. Let's
Okay.
go. Let me share. Let me on my camera. All right. It's like they are going for book launch. Some of them are doing book launch.
No problem. They will get back to the recorded version to
Oh, wow. It should be initiating now, right?
yeah, it's coming up. Okay, you're up now. You can go ahead.
Awesome. Thank you. All right, let me do slideshow. Awesome. So Mr. Sam has gone us through what the storage genius is all about. Practically use it on AI360 Studio, right? Awesome. So I will not go into the intro again. Let's look at the 7 ways we can monetize this application, how you can turn the data into money, okay? So number one, so hope you can see it, Mr. Sam.
Yeah, we can see. Go ahead.
Oh, awesome. So say knowledge base, sell it as a knowledge. Let me shoot this my Zoom features. So I can have the space. Awesome. So organize internal data for companies, okay? Train their AI for support and onboarding, okay? And charge per. This one is the second one. Let's go back to the first one, sorry. Still is browsing. Awesome. Look at the first one. My slide was frozen, so I have to. So build AI bot for niches, okay? Sell online services to small businesses. Example, AI assistant for rentals, okay? It can help a renter or anyone in any niche at all that you are privileged to speak to. You can build an AI vote for the person, okay? And you collect big money for doing that, okay? This my slide going up and down, don't mind it. So sorry, let me stop, let me reshare. It's frozen so that I'll have a smooth sorry about that. Let me reshare. This one is frozen. Stopping me.
Okay, you can just
Let me
go up
reshare,
and come
please.
back and reshare.
Let me reshare. It's
Okay.
stopping me.
Salumatu, after this class, don't go away. We need to talk. Salumatu, we've not spoken for some time now.
Okay, sir.
Okay. We can see your slide now. So what is keeping it?
Awesome, awesome. Yeah. Move. Awesome. So thank you for the privilege
Okay.
to come back again. So you can build AI bots for any needs at all using our storage genius. Someone has a noisy background.
Key to the future is educating women and then bringing women into the full participation.
Mr. Sarah, please unmute that person, mute the person that's making the noise. So build AI
No problem.
bots.
I'll meet her. Go ahead.
Thank you. Create specialized knowledge base for any niche at all, any industry, okay? You can sell it out as a license, offer to small businesses looking for industry-specific AI solutions, okay? There are so many startups looking for AI support for their small startup. They can't build from scratch, okay? So since you have access to our own platform, use it and build for them and collect your money. I have example here. Someone into real estate, you can help the person build AI assistant for the realtor, okay? Train on property data and market insight. Basically for market insight, okay? If you are not pre-informed, you don't know what your audience or the market is looking for, and you don't know what to offer them, okay? For example, if people are looking for maybe bungalow, and you don't know, you're marketing empty lands, no building on top, you will be marketing for a long time without converting, okay? But because there is a data to guide you, you will know where to focus on your energy and always convert and make your money, okay? So you can reach out to people and build AI vote for them using storage genius. Let's look at the second way to monetize this genius. This like what I do today. Move. The second one
It's
is
not
just
moving.
management.
Okay.
It's not
Okay, you
moving,
can
but
just,
it's still
well, you can do it
rotating.
like this too, no problem now. It's just to
Uh,
monetize. You can
uh,
do it like this.
it have moved now. Second one is offer
No, I
AI
mean,
knowledge management. So what do you say?
no, go ahead, go ahead.
Okay, awesome. Okay, so organize internal data for companies, train their AI for support and onboarding, and charge per client. This one is for people that already have their own database. Okay, we are there because you are pre-informed, you have been trained, okay, to train others. You can charge them for you to offer management support to their own AI bot or database. Okay, help companies structure and organize their internal documents, processes, and information using storage units. Okay, train their AI system for customer support, employee onboarding, and internal knowledge management, and charge per implementation and customization. Okay, for example, now a company is recruiting, they want to track the process from when they open the Google form for people to fill, to when people filled, when they came for interview, those that were selected for interview. You can help them track all these processes, okay, and you charge them per project, okay. The next one, AI-powered online courses. Awesome. Upload content and train an AI tutor. Say AI guided courses, for example, AI mentor for digital marketing. It can be AI mentor for any niche at all. It can be AI mentor for freelancing. It can be AI mentor for book writing and publishing. It can be AI mentor for those in real estate. Okay, you know what you have passion for, or where you have enough customer base. You can focus on that area. My coach will say people don't pay you for your passion, people pay for what they want. So look out for what people want and provide a solution for them using this support, these our storage journeys. You know, they work together with support. Don't mind me, that's why I'm always calling two of them together. Okay, so upload course content, store all your course materials, lessons, and resources in storage units. Okay, under training, create an intelligent AI tutor trained on your complete course curriculum. Okay, for the sell, offer personalized learning experiences with AI mentorship, like AI mentor for marketing. It can be AI mentor for freelancing. It can be AI mentor for any niche at all that you are focused in. Okay, let's look at the third way to make money from this app. Awesome. Private AI assistants. Build personalized AI for professionals. Example, Pastor GPT, Lawyer GPT. Our coach is working on something for lawyers. Okay, I can't remember the name now. The official name it will be something for lawyers, and he's using this model to train the AI. Yeah, and we charge monthly for your income. You charge them monthly. Okay, so if you're a church member, you can write a proposal. Tomorrow is Sunday to your pastor. Say, Daddy, I can build a pastor GPT for you. Okay, he may give you, he may approve the proposal, and when you bid for him, he may connect you to all his friends. Like I will always share in this training. When I was doing book writing with Dr. Pebango, it was a pastor that opened me up to other pastors. I did it for free, and they saw the book. They had to bring their own contacts, and the pastor told them what they would pay for one book. I did for him free. Then he told his other senior pastor what they would pay, and no argument, they pay for it. So you can start from your pastor. If your own is must, you can start from your amen. Okay, if you don't go to church, go to your club and you tell your club member, I can be a GPT for our club, and they may give you a trial. Okay, you build and you collect. You can even build for free, but collect monthly maintenance fee. And on our platform, you don't have much to pay, just your normal renewal, but they are paying for maintenance. Okay, yeah, that one is for you, of course. Okay, so create custom AI assistants tailored to specific professions like pastors, lawyers, doctors, creators, consultants. Okay, example, pastor for sermon preparation and spiritual guidance, or lawyer GPT for legal research and case management. Okay, so charge monthly maintenance fee for updates, improvement, and ongoing support. I love this particular way of making money with this app. It's very simple and practical. You can start with this one. Okay, let's look at the next way to monetize this awesome app. Awesome. Knowledge subscription hub. Create niche data plus storage units. Create private AI information portals. Okay, and make it on monthly subscription base. Okay, so create a niche data, gather and organize specialized information for specific industries or communities using this app. Okay, for private AI portals, build exclusive information portals where subscribers access AI-powered insight and knowledge. Charge monthly subscriptions for access to premium curated content. You can just do, for example, now, we normally teach people about upsells. You can do the first one and make it free. But where the main thing is, you now tell them, for you to have access to this one, you have to pay. And some of them will pay because of the information they are getting, because of the value we are giving them. Make sure it is value packed and the money will come to you. Okay, so knowledge-based subscription, make it a hub where people come for information. Okay, for example, it can be about book writing. So you use this and gather information on everything about book writing and publishing. You go and gather YouTube links. Okay, you can even do the videos yourself and upload, gather them. So when they pay, you give them the link. They will have access to everything they need to know about book launching, book writing, book publishing, and book launching. Okay, yeah. So as I'm talking, be thinking, what can I start, giving value for money for using these support units? Okay, it's very simple. If your problem is how to create a course, we have our course creation units that will make that one happen for you. Then connect it with this one. That's all. Connect it and you're good to go. Okay. AI website bots. Train bots on storage units data used for sales and customer support. And you can charge from 200 to 400 USD monthly. And because it's monthly, so every month you're sure it's recurring. Okay, so train bots on data, use storage units to train intelligent chatbots on your company's information, products, and services. If you don't have any service, you can look out for someone that has one and bid for the person. Okay, sales and support applications, deploy bots for customer support, lead generation, and sales conversations on websites. Okay, and charge them for that. This thing is an advanced tech service, so your monthly pay should also be advanced. You can go to freelance.com or Fiverr and see what people are charging for this service. Okay, you can even charge more than this based on what I saw on other platforms. Okay, so AI website bots, our support units can help you. Our support and the storage units can help you get started. Okay, awesome. Freelance/agency setup. Okay, offer build your AI brain services. Sell them on Fiverr or directly. You can have your own website. It's easy to build website with our own platform. You can build a simple funnel, okay, where they can come, sign up for any of the freelance services and pay. Okay, so they are just coming for this service. Agency setup. You don't need to go and farm again or go and learn how to do it. watch what Mr. Sam did in a few minutes. We are done. Okay. And you saw what, when you open the portal, you saw so many ones he has done before. So you can do more than one person. You can you can support more than one person using one platform, like we watched when Mr. Sam was doing his own. So offer freelance or agency services where you build custom AI brains for clients, for organizations, for companies, for agencies using storage units. Okay. Market your service on platforms like Fiverr or say directly using your social media platform, using your funnel, your website, and you charge them minimum 250 and 1K USD above per setup, depending on the complexity and customization. The more complex the job, the more money they have to pay you. Okay. So start your AI monetization journey with Ai360studio today. Start. No more time. Start. Just, and we are still on our 50% discount, right, Mr. Sam? So you can get started and start making money with this application. Okay. Data is the gold mine. Your information and knowledge have real market value. It's true. And one of the hot cake now in tech is data analysis. And this, our platform, this support genius, that's what it does for you. Okay. Start today. This platform will help you start very well. It will help you to organize, train, and monetize your data effectively. Okay. It will also be a wonderful source of income for you. Okay. 7 proven ways. You may not do all of them, just start with one and master that one. And when they say, I want someone that will do this, your name will be the first name that will ring, in their mind. Thank you, sir, for this privilege. This is what you have, the 7 ways to monetize the storage genius.
Right, Grace, thank you for that simple explanation on how to make money with storage genius. I hope we'll all go and take action. But obviously, we'll be coming up as an agency to also show you how to go about that. So I want to say a very big thank you for everyone that has been a part of us today. We wouldn't want to take much of your time because it's almost, we have just 3 minutes to go. So today, we didn't just explore another digital tool. We actually explained the power of a driven knowledge management. Yes, with our storage juniors, you now have the ability to build your AI personal brain, a secure system that stores your data, your documents, your insights, your website, transforming whatever you have, whatever information you have into a structured intelligence. So thank you so much for being a part of us. God bless you. See you same time next week as we hook up and also share more on our AI360 Studio. Thank you so much. God bless you. Okay. Okay, we stop recording. Salamatu, how are you? You're not running away. Let me ask her to unmute.